Good evening and welcome back, students. So now we will discuss how to find the adjoint of a matrix and how we use it to solve the equations. So first we will discuss about the adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint. Of a matrix. So if there is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, A11, A12 means element of first row, first column, A12 means element of first row, second column, A21 element of second row, first column, A22 means element of second row, second column. Now how to find its adjoint? For this, remember, first we find the cofactor of first row, first column. And we know that it is obtained by deleting first row, first column. And we have to multiply with minus 1 to the power this 2 plus 2 into, in this there will be only one element A22. So the value is A22. Then we find the cofactor of first row, second column. Means first row, second column will be cancelled out, and minus 1 to the power we have to add these two digits of suffix 1 plus 2 and into the element remaining is only A21. Now minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is minus A21. Now we find the next cofactor, that is cofactor of second row, first column. Cofactor of second row, first column. Clearly it will be also minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into A12 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus A12. And finally, we will find the cofactor of second row, second column, that is second row, second column are cancelled. So it is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, clearly it will be positive, into A11, that is same element will be given. So we find, if we denote this matrix by A, first we find a matrix C, which is the matrix formed by cofactors. Of A. We have assumed it to be C. Otherwise, C doesn't have any other significance. So first element A11, then A12, A21, and finally A22. All the cofactors are written in place of the elements. And remember, adjoint A is the transpose of this matrix C. C transpose, that is A11, first row becomes the first column, A11, A12. Second row becomes the second column, A21, A22. Now if we write their values, A11 means small a22. A21 means minus A12. Then A21 is minus A12. So A12 is minus A21. A22 is A11, element of first row, first column. So this is the adjoint of A, and this is the method to find adjoint of A. But instead of doing this, if we remember only one thing, This can also be done directly either in subjective or in objective in both the exams. To find the adjoint of A, which in short is denoted by ADJ, A. Interchange the column of principal diagonals with each other, A22, A11, and change the sign of second diagonal elements, minus A21, minus A12, means in their place, their sign will be changed. So it will give the adjoint of matrix of order 2 cross 2. Very easy. We can directly find the adjoint of matrix of order 2 cross 2 by this method. And the proper method is this, but you are suggested to find the adjoint using this method only. Interchange the element of principal diagonal. A11 and A22 are interchanged, means first element becomes A22 and the opposite element to it will be A11, and change only the sign of the second diagonal, minus A21 minus A12, and by the method also we have obtained the same result. So this is the method to find the adjoint of A. When matrix is of order 2 cross 2, it is very easy. Now we will discuss the method to find the adjoint of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. And remember, this time we cannot write it directly. Now we have to find all the cofactors and then form the matrix formed by cofactors, and then we'll find its transpose. Clearly, this is the algorithm. To find the first step, to find the adjoint of a matrix, first step is find the cofactors. Find all the cofactors. Second step, form a matrix with these cofactors. Having elements having elements as the cofactors in the same order. Means in the same order means as the order of the cofactors. Third step, transpose this matrix. Third step, transpose the matrix. Only 3 steps will be there to find the adjoint of a matrix. Transpose the matrix obtained in step 2. So this is the algorithm to find the adjoint of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. For example, if we take a matrix of order 3 cross 3 as 1, 4, 3, we will take small digits, small numbers, 3, minus 4, 5, 1, 8, 3. Now we will find all the cofactors of this matrix. A11 equals to, we know that, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. These two digits will be added into determinant of order 2 cross 2 obtained by deleting first row 143 and first column 131. So the remaining determinant will be this one, having the 4 elements. First row minus 4, 5, second row 8, 3. And then we will find its value. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, 2 will be positive, and its value minus 4, 3 ja minus 12, minus 8, 5 ja 40. So the value is minus 52. Then we find the cofactor of first row second column minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, which is obtained by deleting first row and second column clearly. First column is 3, 1, second column is 5, 3, minus sign will be written, then 3 3s are 9, minus 5 equals to minus 4. Let's check. A12 means a determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column, 3, 1, 5, 3. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 will be multiplied to this determinant. 3 3 is 9 minus 5, 4. Similarly, now we find A13 means determinant obtained by deleting first row, third column, and it will be multiplied by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, third column. First column is 3, 1. Second column is minus 4, 8. Let's check once more. First row, third column, 3, 1, minus 4, 8. So it is positive. 3 8s are 24 minus 4. So it will be 28. Again, 8 to 1 means that cofactor of second row first column minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. Clearly it will be negative. And then we multiply the determinant obtained by deleting second row first column 4 3 8 3. First row is 4 3, second row is 8 3. And when we multiply them, we get minus outside the determinant 4 3s are 12, minus 8 3s are 24, minus of minus 12 is 12 only. Then we find determinant obtained by deleting second row, second column. That is cofactor of 2 cross 2 and multiplied with minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Clearly it will not affect the value of that determinant. Second row, second column. First row becomes 1 3. Second row is also 1 3. As both the rows have the same element, value will be 0. Then determinant 2 3, cofactor 2 3, which will be obtained by multiplying minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into the determinant obtained by deleting second row, third column. That is 1 4 1 8. Second row, third column, 1 4 1 8. So it is minus 8 minus 4. It will be 4. Then we find the cofactor third 3 1 means minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. Clearly it will be multiplied by plus 1. So there will be no effect on the value of the determinant, which is obtained by deleting third row first column. 4 3 minus 4 5. 4 5s are 20 minus 12. 20 plus 12 32. Then A32, that is cofactor of third row second column. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into the determinant obtained by deleting third row second column. 1 3 is the first column and 3 5 will be the second column. So it is minus 5 minus 9 minus of minus 4, that is 4. Then finally the determinant 3 3, cofactor 3 3, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 will be positive into determinant obtained by deleting third row third column. 1 4 3 minus 4. Clearly minus 4 minus 12, it is minus 16. Minus 4 minus 12, it is minus 16. So after getting all these cofactors, the second step which we have written above is form a matrix with cofactors having element as the cofactors in the same order. So let's assume that C is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, which is formed by the cofactors of the above matrix. The first element being minus 52. Second is A12 minus 4. Third is 28. First row completed. Second row 2 1 12 0. Element of third row first column. 2 3 is minus 4. Okay. Element of second row third column is minus 4. Then third row first column is 32. Third row second column is 4. And third row third column is minus 16. 32 4 minus 16. 12 0 minus 4. 52 minus 52 minus 4 28. So this is C. Then we find adjoint of A equals to C transpose, which is obtained by minus 50 by transpose of first C, means by changing the column onto the row, minus 52, 12, 32. Second column becomes the second row, minus 4, 0, 4, 28, minus 4, minus 16. So this is adjoint of A, adjoint of that matrix which we have taken as an example. 143 minus 4, 5, 183 is minus 52, 12, 30, 4, 28 minus 4 minus 16. That's it. So revise it, do it yourself, and ask if you have any doubt in comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.